Welcome back to the NIF tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn about include and exclude options available on the NIF signals page. So on the signal page, you'll find all the signals that have been listed in last 24 hours. Now, for example, if I want only the signals having the detection name as command line execution with suspicious URL and app data string, in front of that name, I'll click on the include filter, that is nothing but this plus icon. As you can see, it is displaying only those signals where the value of detection name is command line execution with suspicious URL. Now, if I want to exclude all the signals that are having detection name as command line execution with suspicious URL, I'll simply click on this exclude option available in front of that name of the signal. And as I can see, now the rule has been built in a way that if the value of detection name is not equal to command line execution with suspicious URL, then list down all the remaining signals. So this is applicable for the suspect and target list as well. So if you want all those signals where the value of user is maladministrator, then simply click on this plus icon, that is nothing but the include filter option in front of that username, and it will list down all those signals where the value of user is maladministrator. I hope this explanation helped you in order to understand how to use the include and exclude filter options available on the signal page. Thank you for patiently listening to this session. In the next tutorial, we'll try to bring out some of the more exciting topics related to the NIF console. Thank you.